Hey everyone, if your Android TV has started feeling sluggish lately, you're not alone. You know the drill apps take forever to open, menus lag, Netflix freezes right when things get good, and every button press turns into a waiting game. Most people just assume their TV is getting old, but honestly, most of the time it's not hardware. It's a few sneaky settings running in the background that are slowing things down. So before you consider buying a new TV or shelling out for a fancy streaming stick, let me show you 4 hidden settings that can make your Android TV feel brand new again. First step, you need to unlock something called Developer Options. Sounds nerdy, but trust me, it takes about 10 seconds. Go to Settings, then Device Preferences, then About. Now scroll all the way down to Build Number and start pressing it over and over until you see Developer Options enabled. Once that message pops up, go back. Developer Options will now show up in your menu. Open it up. Inside, there are 3 settings you need to find: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. They're usually set to 1x, but you want to change all 3 to 0.5x. This one adjustment alone makes your TV feel way faster. Menus snap open, apps feel more responsive, and the whole interface just moves smoother. You can turn animations off entirely, but honestly, that just makes the TV feel kind of weird and choppy. 0.5x is the sweet spot. Now, while you're still in Developer Options, scroll until you find Background Process Limit. Set it to, at most, 2 processes. Why? Because most Android TVs don't have much memory, and random apps love running in the background, using up RAM and slowing everything down. Limiting background apps means your TV focuses on the app you're actually using. Suddenly, Netflix or YouTube load way faster. Next, look for something called Force GPU Rendering, or it might say Use GPU for 2D Drawing. If you see it, turn it on. This tells your TV to use its graphics processor for interface stuff, instead of dumping everything on the main chip. The result? Smoother scrolling, faster menus, and less waiting around for animations. Not all TVs have this option, but if yours does, definitely use it. Last tip, leave Developer Options and pop into Settings, then Privacy or Usage and Diagnostics. The name changes depending on your TV. Turn off Usage Diagnostics, Location Tracking, and Data Collection if you see them. These background features constantly collect info, but all they really do is steal resources and slow things down, especially on budget TVs. Turning them off frees up power for the stuff you actually care about. After these 4 tweaks, your Android TV should feel noticeably faster. No factory reset, no extra hardware, just a few changes buried in the settings menu. Give these a shot. You might be surprised how much life your old TV still has left. And let me know if you see a difference. Thanks for watching and enjoy your faster Android TV.